AcuraLink is a service provided by Acura that connects your vehicle to your smartphone via an app from either the Apple Store or Google Play Store. There are many packages and variations available depending on trim level. The service is complimentary for 12 months on all base models. Send navigation straight from your phone to your vehicle. For the concierge service, owners can make hotel, restaurant, and airline reservations. You will get notifications for many things such as low tire pressure and maintenance. Owners can remote unlock and lock their vehicle, find their car in crowded parking lots, set a security alarm alert, and more. You can schedule maintenance and be reminded until the day of. You can easily access how much oil you have available and also read your odometer. Of course, higher packages will cost more money, but some include a few month trials with a year commitment. The technology is amazing and sure to make your life simpler. Contact us today for all pricing and test drive a vehicle that is equipped with this amazing service.